Good morning, everybody. This morning message from Rodney's Momentum Mindset goes like this. Rise with purpose today. Let's vow to stop the bullying and body shaming of our queens. Let me say that again. Let's vow to stop the bullying and the body shaming of our queens. Queens, your curve, your scars, and strength are masterpiece, not punchlines. Let me say that again. Your curves, scars, and strength are not punchlines. They are not punchlines. They are masterpiece. Lift each other up, not tear down. Every woman deserves to shine without fear. Let me say that again. Every woman deserves to shine without fear. And what that means is bullyism, body shaming is not good for no one, for no woman, for no man also. But this morning we're talking about the ladies. So as I said, stop the body shaming, stop the bullyism against women. Let us put a purple heart in the comment to stop body shame. A purple heart for all the victims of body shaming, victims of all sort of domestic violence against women. Let's put a purple heart for each and every woman, each and every victim. Have a blessed day. Peace.